Okay, excuse me. So now we've been through base product information, extended data, pricing, and media. Now let's jump to inventory. So inventory by default isn't turned on, but let's go ahead and turn it on. So this creates a zero inventory, but we're going to increment the data by say 1,000. And so now this has 1,000 on hand. If I go to inventory and I do a get on that product ID, so I call V2 inventories product ID, you can see that I have a total of 1,000. But let's turn this off. This is going to delete our entries. So if I hit send on that now, it should come back resource not found. But I'm going to change this back to a post. I'm going to add a quantity of 0 because I'm just creating an empty record, and then I'm going to add increment. I could put 1,000 here, but I want to show you how you increment and decrement. So we're going to call and create an empty record. And then the next thing we want to do is we want to create a transaction. So we're going to call inventories and the product ID, and then transactions, and we're going to do a stock transaction, and we're going to increment it a quantity of, let's make that 1,000. Save that. And we go to variations and then come back to inventory. And you can see that we have 1,000 available, and because we have an increment amount there. Right? That's inventory.